What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how you can mount a GoPro to a rock and use it as a desk ornament. So right here we have a rock, 2 GoPro Hero 6s, 3 sticky mounts. People use these to attach to things like helmets on their bikes when they're riding their bikes, or anything like, some of them are even meant for surfboards, underneath skateboards, stuff like that. This right here is a clip that goes right into these like that, and it allows you to mount GoPros and stuff like this right here onto them using these right here. So in order to start this, once you have all of your equipment like this, you're going to need some more of these, a couple more of these, and another one of these. I have those lying around somewhere. You're going to want to take these and apply them wherever you want on the certain rock you have. Everyone's experience will be different because everyone will have different rocks in their area. So this I want to probably set down like this, and then have it in a way where I can hide a GoPro mount behind it, or even 2, and make it where the mount isn't very seeable, seeing that they are not very aesthetically pleasing. But the whole point will be to have these built up and almost be like a GoPro tree coming out of it in order to have the GoPro sit on top. So it'll almost be like a mounting place to have your GoPro when you're not using it on your desk. Almost like a desk ornament for your GoPro, because if you have a GoPro, more or less likely you are very proud of owning a GoPro, seeing that they are a very unique camera and that they are used widely by very many people. So now I am going to go take these right here and go heat them up, because in order to make the 3M tape stuff stickier, you want to heat it up, which will make it more, it'll expand it, and when it sets, it'll just stick right to it. You almost never ever be able to get it off. And the thing is you're not going to have to worry about them falling off due to the fact that this is just going to be on your desk. It isn't like you're going to be going 55 miles an hour on your desk. Unless you're like really bad, then like, you go, man. Okay, I heated up the pads, then I attached them to the rock itself, as you can see right there. Put on the sticks, put on the GoPros, and then realized something. There's a thing in life called balance. And balance is not in my favor today. So even when you put them like this, pointing towards whatever your surface is, they still wobble over. But I realized I can put another rock behind it, put it like that, here, put it like that, and then go ahead and put another thing on this rock if I put it like this. So I will be back with a solution. Okay guys, lesson learned. Make sure that you use a flat rock or a rock that has good angles in which to set the stickers on. Make sure that the surface is clean and that it's balanced, because this one, when you put a GoPro on it, it turns into this, which is fine until it falls back that way. So it doesn't have very good balance. It has a lot of angles in which it moves. It's almost circular in a way in some angles. But yeah, I'm gonna go bring you guys to some B-roll shots of this baby right here and add a lot of GoPro equipment around it to make it look good on a desk setup. Well, there we go, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like the video. If you want to be notified whenever I post more, there's a bell down there, the subscription button. Go ahead and go click all of that. I'll leave my Twitter down in the description if you want to follow me there. I post pictures about videos I'm going to be doing, so you're going to get a little sneak peek of whatever I'm doing. I also post jokes here and there, because they're jokes. If you don't like jokes, you're not human. But I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.